Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make viral lip-sync videos on TikTok and YouTube. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made over $10,000 last month with lip-sync videos, and how you can do the same in 2023. Lip-sync videos are videos where you mimic the words or lyrics of a song or speech using your mouth and facial expressions. They are very fun and easy to make, and they can get millions of views and likes on platforms like TikTok and YouTube. Lip-sync videos are also very profitable, because you can monetize them with ads, sponsorships, merch, donations, and more. You can also use them to grow your personal brand, fan base, and influence online. Lip-sync videos are one of the best ways to make money online with minimal work and investment. Sounds awesome, right? Well, it is. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make viral lip-sync videos on TikTok and YouTube in 4 simple steps. So let's get into it. Number 1. Choose a song or speech. The first step is to choose a song or speech that you want to lip-sync to. You want to choose something that is popular, catchy, funny, or controversial. Something that will grab people's attention and make them want to watch your video. You can use tools like TikTok charts or YouTube trends to find out what songs or speeches are trending right now. For example, some of the most popular songs or speeches that people are lip-syncing to right now are We Don't Talk About Bruno, from Encanto. Just a Cloud Away, by Pharrell Williams. As It Was, by Harry Styles. So Hot You're Hurting My Feelings, by Caroline Polachek. Sunroof, by Nicki Yor and Daisy. You can also choose something that is related to your niche, personality, or style. For example, if you're into gaming, you can lip-sync to a famous gamer's quote or a game soundtrack. If you're into comedy, you can lip-sync to a stand-up routine or a movie scene. If you're into politics, you can lip-sync to a politician's speech or a news clip. The key is to choose something that you enjoy and that will resonate with your audience. Number 2. Record your video. The second step is to record your video using your phone or camera. You want to use a good quality device that can capture your audio and video clearly and smoothly. You also want to use a tripod or a stabilizer to keep your device steady and avoid shaky footage. You can use apps like TikTok or Dubsmash to record your lip-sync video directly on your phone. These apps have built-in features that allow you to choose a song or speech from their library, adjust the speed and volume of the audio, add filters and effects, and sync your mouth movements with the sound. Alternatively, you can use apps like InShot or Filmora Go to edit your lip-sync video on your phone after recording it. These apps allow you to import any song or speech from your device or online sources, trim and crop your video, add transitions and stickers, and adjust the audio and video settings. You can also use software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro to edit your lip-sync video on your computer if you want more advanced features and options. The key is to record your video in a well-lit and quiet place where you can express yourself freely and confidently. Number 3. Optimize your video. The third step is to optimize your video for TikTok and YouTube. You want to make sure that your video is attractive, engaging, and discoverable on these platforms. You can use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to help you with this process. Some of the things that you want to optimize are: Title. Use a catchy and descriptive title that includes keywords related to your song or speech and your niche. Thumbnail. Use a high-quality and eye-catching thumbnail that shows your face and emotion and reflects the theme of your video. Description. Use a short and informative description that summarizes what your video is about and includes hashtags related to your song or speech and your niche. Tags. Use relevant tags that describe what your video is about and help people find it on search results. Subtitles. Add subtitles or captions to your video if possible to make it more accessible and understandable for people who speak different languages or have hearing impairments. The key is to optimize your video for both TikTok and YouTube, as they have different algorithms and audiences. You can also use tools like Repurpose.io or Lumen 5 to repurpose your video for different platforms and formats. Number 4. Promote your video. The final step is to promote your video on TikTok and YouTube. You want to make sure that your video reaches as many people as possible and gets more views, likes, comments, and shares. You can use tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to help you with this process. Some of the ways that you can promote your video are: share it on your social media accounts like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Collaborate with other lip-syncers or influencers in your niche and cross-promote each other's videos. Join lip sync challenges or contests and use trending hashtags to get more exposure and engagement. Engage with your audience and respond to their comments and feedback. Analyze your performance and metrics and improve your strategy accordingly. The key is to promote your video consistently and creatively and build a loyal and active fan base. And that's it. That's how you can make viral lip sync videos on TikTok and YouTube in 2023 and make money online with minimal work and investment. Of course, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme or a guarantee of success. You still need to put in some time and effort up front to create and optimize your videos, and you need to monitor and improve your performance over time. But once you do that, you can enjoy the benefits of passive income and fame from lip sync videos. If you want to learn more about lip sync videos and how I made over $10,000 last month with this method, make sure to check out my course Lip Sync Mastery, where I reveal all my secrets and strategies in detail. This course will teach you everything you need to know about creating and scaling viral lip sync videos on TikTok and YouTube. The link is in the description below, so go ahead and click it right now before the price goes up or the spots run out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.